Stay Orisa.
Alright.
I like this combo.
Alright, new recording.
Ooh, we got that Ash.
Yeah,
Dude,
can
I
we?
played Junkrat.
Yeah, let's get a Mercy as
We
our
don't need.
Mercy?
Mercy Ana, I think.
Okay, I was just predicting.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, Brandon.
Mercy Ana.
Okay.
Well, we don't need double hit scan for first point. It's best
Right,
to have
no.
spam.
Well, I was predicting them running far out, so.
Yeah, when we had Ash.
Right. I don't know.
Do you want a different support?
I think Ana's fine. Ana's better than Morin. Oh my god, lag.
I could
Your manifest is good.
go Zen.
What?
Ooh, Zen would work well, but I don't think you have time. Man.
Yeah, I don't have time. I'll swap first death.
I wouldn't run. No, I wouldn't run Zen Mercy.
Here's I'm going Battle Mercy.
If they do run that, we have to get. Man, we'd have to have. We need. Depending on what they run, we're gonna have to run one defensive support.
Is that
Yeah,
Sim
ball.
turrets?
They have ball.
They're running-
D-Bag.
they're running- Yeah, they're running a goat.
That Ryan is low.
Is it goats with McCree though? Cause I
Yeah,
got us on McCree.
There we go.
No, I guess it was Lucio.
No, yeah, it's goats with ball.
Focusing down that red shield.
I'm
Shield's
trying. Oh, I got booped.
Ball on us.
Ball, 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 ball.
He's antied.
Down main, down main, down main. They're coming down main now.
Back up, 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 back up.
Ball behind low.
Back left.
He's playing on point here.
Get this. Break shield. Just break shields. We have to force ourselves back in. Break shield. Break shield. Break shield. Push back in. Push back in. Hold this corner.
Kill Ryan backside.
Kill Ryan. Kill Ryan. Kill Ryan. Kill Ryan.
Involving.
Huge,
They're in
huge.
the back corner. They're in the back corner. Back corner. Back corner. Alright, chase them ready. Nice. Good Ash, Bob.
Yep. Give the heals to you right now, Ana.
Good Ash, Bob.
Yes, good Ash, Bob.
I have
Good Bob's Ash.
Caleb, try to charge a tire really fast.
Yeah.
Cause I'm gonna try to hold my grab until you get tired, maybe. Unless I see something really good.
Okay, ball going left. He's gonna try and swoop in behind.
When Ball uses his slam down, everybody turn around and kill him. Call out slam.
I'm going to stand near the trap because he's trying to get the.
No E on Diva. No
Ball behind me. I need heals. I need heals.
Pushing around, they're pushing around, they're pushing around.
Are they using trans?
Yep.
Watch for slam, watch for slam.
Ball's like on us.
I'm grabbing this on center, grabbing this on center.
They're all antied. They're all antied.
One.
Diva one.
Diva's D-Mac, Diva's
I'm
D-Mac.
reloading, I'm reloading.
Nice, Ball just went flying sky high.
Focus brig, focus the brig.
I'm sorry, Brandon. I walked into your nano.
No, I nanoed you on purpose.
Nice brig dead.
Oh my bad, I didn't see you up. I didn't know you were behind me, to be honest.
I threw a shield up.
Thank you, son.
Great placement.
To me.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Healing.
I'm here.
We're here.
Take like 2 steps back.
I have tire.
Zen one, Zen one, Zen low, Zen low, Zen low, Zen low.
Pocket Arissa. Nice, nice, nice. Pocket Arissa, pocket Arissa. Good res, good res, good res.
Come on.
Oh, I got you.
I'm hard.
I have to rotate. I have to rotate.
I'm dead.
Help me.
Focus that Diva down, focus Diva next. Play shield, play the shield, play the shield. They're not on point, they're not on point.
That was a good hold time, good hold time, good
Push
hold
in, push in.
Just back up. Yeah. That's lost. That's lost.
Yeah, it's lost.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I almost said Bob.
Alright, I have grab.
I've got-
Save your tire for my grab.
Alright.
I'm going to switch to Ryan next.
Yes. Yes. I got bats. Yeah. I'm here. I'm here.
Caleb, try to wait for them to
Push it up.
trans the use your tire.
They're off the.
Play on me.
They're on Widow now. They're on Widow now. They're off the Hammond.
If they trans, you definitely want to launch tire into it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do it
Reinhardt.
now. Now.
Oh.
Okay, nice. Well, we got Lucio ult out of it.
Focus that Diva, focus Diva, focus Diva, focus Diva. Diva out of mech.
Yeah, I'm back. Just one. I need you healing.
Right low, right low,
Brandon,
right low,
behind
right low.
Behind you in the bush, Brandon. Brandon.
Widow's up top.
Brandon,
Oh, I'm trying. Sorry.
I got antied.
right now.
I'm so sorry.
No, I was trying to keep some.
Spawn.
It's fine. It's fine.
I just ran into the wrong place.
Now we have Reinhardt. This is good.
All soldiers, group up at my position.
Careful, Widow's peeking spawn still.
I know. I'm dueling her right now. She's not that good.
I have your back.
Oh, she's actually pretty good. She's
Touch,
almost dead.
touch, touch.
I'm on point. I'm on point.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm
I'm
coming.
just hard shielding right now. D.Va low. D.Va low. D.Va low. D.Va low.
Reloading, reloading.
I
Good
blocked it.
shield. Good shield. Good shield. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Grabbing it. Huge grab. Ah!
I'm
So
dead.
much damage.
That's fine.
I've shatter now.
They use trance. They use bomb. They probably have slam,
This is much better than
unless they used it, and they probably have beat. I haven't seen them use beat yet.
They use
Yeah, they
beat on
definitely have
grab,
beat.
but yeah, they'll have it again.
Shoot,
Bray,
shoot.
try to see if you can. Try to see if you can kill Lucio.
I have tire now.
Widow's left. Widow's left.
I'm gonna shatter
Shield
here.
7.
Gotta break shield.
I'm Bob.
Big shatter.
Nice.
get in there.
Ryan low. Ryan low.
Nice. Huge.
Even out of mech.
Get that Zen. He still has armor.
Widowmaker, get the Widow jumped off.
Okay,
She
okay.
just suicided.
Get back in the fight.
Hey, watch that room. Watch that room.
I have a trap, so I'll no play that way.
I have your back.
Reloading.
Then right might have shatter. Back up. Back up. Back up. Play on our side of the cart. Oh!
Wheeling in up.
There, Ryan's
Right
low.
one, right one.
Reloading.
What is on the left, I think? Can't see her.
Lucio's
Widow,
low.
yeah, she's
I have
left. She's
shatter
left.
again.
She almost
Widow straight up left, yeah.
Grabbing at.
She's got me
Good
boxed
grab.
out. She's got me
They
boxed
use
out.
trans and B. They use trans.
There,
and
they're anti, anti.
Big shatter. Big shatter.
I cannot believe
Reloading.
this right now.
D.Va's out of mech.
I have your back.
Brig on me. Brig on me. Brig on me. Brig low. Brig low.
Lucio's low too. Lucio's low too.
Widow's dead. Who's next? Who's next?
Brig. Brig needs to die. Brig needs to die.
Watch shatter. Watch shatter. Big bomb. Nice.
grouping.
Holy crap! I farmed another grab.
Bye.
I have grab again.
Heck yeah.
Lord.
Nano's insane on Zarya.
I've wanted to hit Q for the last 2 fights, but there's never been a chance. It's like I haven't needed to.
Hey, right here, right room. Come here. Help me.
All right, with you. Oh, you're zoned out.
Oh, you're walled.
Zone down. Zone down. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm getting froze. Yeah, I'm getting froze. Woo! I can't make it out. That wall.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Hard back up. I can't move.
Up on the right side if anyone can. There's a May.
My
He's
shield's out.
off. Thank you, kill.
Back way up. No fighting.
I almost have tire again.
Yeah, they have main out too. We have to be careful of that.
The pain. Get back in the fight.
I'm frozen. I'm
Main's
frozen.
low.
Coming, I'm coming.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm slept. Help.
Good bubble. Good bubble. Good bubble. Brig low. Brig low. Brig low. Bring it running low. You have any ults? Nice.
Good ults.
He was
D.Va
behind my
May,
first
D.Va
spawn.
May.
Call something.
Main freeze.
I'm dead. We got it.
Ah, we couldn't get it to overtime.
I think we did.
Your power
Oh, that was my fault. I left to go res.
We got up to like 15
Thinking I could get better.
Yeah, no, it would have been best just to stay healing because we were right outside spawn.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
No, go ahead and play Junkrat, kid.
Yeah, I like ball here, actually. Just go up to that top area because I kept getting booped off of there when they ran their own Hammond.
Is this okay?
Okay, so we'll have to run what support? I'll run Ana Lucio probably, or Ana Zen.
I'd say Mercy.
Mercy, yeah.
I'd say Mercy. That way Mercy can fly around. Because this is a kind of a dive heavy comp.
All right, I'll go
Like,
Zen with.
basically, I mean, hell, you could even run Mercy Zen as long as Zen and Junkrat stay close and Diva protects. You
Sure.
can do that too. Basically, we're just gonna try to force them off high ground and take high ground from them, and then have ball and Diva kind of off and on contest. Actually, yeah, let's try that. Let's go right side and get to the back and try to get them off the top.
You do that the tanks will do that. The DPS will have to go walk up right through Griffin.
That's what I meant. That way you guys can take high ground.
Okay.
And then Brayton can look for a hack target and call it from me.
Caleb? Uh-oh. Control, what's control shift tilt? There it is.
Yeah. So I guess that issue never went away. So much of that Windows update on Mega Volt.
Well, in the meantime, then I'm gonna go.
Gotta make that chit chat. You got stuck in your driveway?
Yes.
Did you try shoveling?
I did, and I still couldn't move.
Oh my goodness, what do you drive?
It's a brand new, like, 2017 Civic.
Oh my goodness.
Did you try shoveling harder?
You see, the problem is, I got out of my driveway fine the first time. And then I got halfway out of my neighborhood, and I realized I couldn't see.
What do you,
And I
you
wasn't
get
wearing glasses.
I was like, how do you get halfway out of your neighborhood and realize you can't see?
I wasn't wearing my glasses, I look at someone's house like, I can't read the numbers on their house. Something's wrong. I touch my face, I'm like, oh, no glasses. I head back, get my glasses, and now I'm stuck.
Did you rejoin alright, Caleb?
He's not even in call.
He is in game.
He just says LOL.
There you go. Can you accept a group or...
Yeah, I gotta re-log in.
Oh, okay.
Someone decided to reset the router. Now
Oh, at least it wasn't the PC.
Oh no.
Is he back?
Go kick your dad in the nads.
it wasn't my dad.
Who was it?
My mom.
Go kick her in the same area.
Kick her in the
His
nads.
mom decided to reset the router.
Are you serious? That's dumb.
Ripperoni.
Okay.
There we go, back in game.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Absolutely certain.
We're still waiting on you. Okay, there he goes.
3 stacks, am I right?
Okay, we Gucci. We're ready whenever. Alright, boys, let's get it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Or, okay. Let's get that bread.
3, 2, 1, 5, 4.
Junkrat, right?
Oh, they're playing
Oh,
close.
what?
They're playing close. What in the world?
Back up, they got me, they got me. You gotta swap off
No
this.
healers blocked out. No healers with you.
Just go to point, just go to point.
Working on it, buds.
Diva's
I
discording?
got you, buds. I'm taking
Diva's
that point.
Diva's donked, Diva's donked, Diva's donked. Baby Diva, baby Diva.
Got her.
Now Ryan.
I'm kind of just
Run,
making
run,
habit
run,
for
run,
him.
run. No wall, no May wall, no May wall. Run though still.
Hey, get this brick. Kale, get this brick with me.
I'm frozen. Woo!
Zin's one if anyone can see him.
I can't. Where?
Fly, 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 fly away.
Oh god, Diva's back here.
Briggs hack, Briggs hack.
Brick hack.
Briggs one.
Soft reset, soft reset. Oh, big.
Guys, go.
Your step.
Jesus.
Almost had hack.
Lucio's one. He's discorded.
Hey, Diva got D-Mac, left side, Diva left side, D-Mac.
Dude, get up.
Dang it.
Push him. Now you can tank there.
Ryan's hacked. But I'm backing out.
Oh, let me out! No!
I can EMP.
Freaking freeze! We're good. Fight this. Winnable. Good EMP.
Break. Now Lucio. Oh my goodness. Alright.
I'm gonna try and get Zen.
Tanks go forward.
I'm gonna try and get Zen.
I'm gonna go.
Now.
Ooh, they're angry. Oh, shit.
Man, if only I didn't
Oh, we
get
might be dead here.
I have 14 Riptire kills right now on my stat line.
Diva, help!
Right past him. Did you see that, Brock?
I was right behind you! We both walked right past him!
Alright, bud. Here comes the ult. I just chopped off though.
Watch shatter.
I got out of
Bye!
Get this Ryan.
No one's with you.
Brig next.
May's one.
Zen.
May no ice. May no cooldowns.
Diva low.
Diva's
Diva, get the Diva.
Any way to peek
May's
back?
behind.
Hey, get this Diva.
I can do shielding.
Diva D-Mac.
Someone taxi mercy.
I can tax here because I need healing.
I'm gonna hack May when she gets out of this.
Shit there.
I don't think I got her.
Maybe Diva up tie? High, not tie.
May on me. Help.
Kill the Diva.
Shatter, they got us.
I force trans.
Yeah, I'll have EMP this fight.
We got trans and shatter out.
Ah, I'm dead. I got froze.
Just die. We might want. Yeah.
When I get back.
Can we swap off the Hammond? Actually, this is not gonna work with the May. I think we should
I'm
swap.
gonna go Winston. Or we can just dive Lucio and Zen.
Use this ball though. I've got this ult, and I can get this ult.
Okay.
All right.
Let's keep it.
And I'll switch after this one. All right, you ready?
Just mind sweep him. Mind sweep behind him, and then we'll EMP.
All right.
I'll bait him in.
Shoot, I fell. All right, you guys are good.
Yeah, go.
I'm gonna put mine right
Go.
behind me. Go.
Big.
Woo! That works.
Let's
happy
go,
for that.
dude.
I big oofed that.
Woo, there's a lot of them coming at us.
Yeah, there's spawns right there. We gotta fight this. Get break.
Break. Back up.
I'm ulting.
Okay, pushing it.
Diva's hack. Get Diva if you can.
Run low.
Watch out. Mail.
Yep. I'm dead. I'm changing now though.
Alright, I'm not gonna live this.
Oh, what do you change it to, Michael?
Diva's hacked.
Just we changed like to regular.
Brian Zarya, I think.
Dude, no way.
Sure.
Good job, mate.
I'm
I'm so lucky to be alive.
I'm caught behind. I hope I don't die.
We'll make a distraction for you.
Yeah, just live. I got Vault coming in.
Oh, I'm caught. I should have died. That was a throw.
Res
Yeah,
it.
res that.
Shield.
Maze
Thank you.
one. Nice, let's go.
Discord Lucio.
Charging it.
Ryan.
I don't shield for you yet. Ryan's low. Got you.
Briggs hack.
What?
I tried.
No, that's fine. That was my bad. I thought it was behind cover.
I'm coming.
Lucio one. Ryan low. Lucio pinned.
Nice pin. Get that Ryan.
Ryan next. Ryan low.
Maze on point.
No, she's
May
not.
no freeze.
I don't think I hacked her.
May have help.
Oh,
Maze one.
that was a
Big
oof.
shatter.
Nice, big shatter.
Ryan down.
I need healing, I need healing.
I can't see you, can't see you.
Zen low, Zen half. Zen 1.
Back up, back up. Alright, I gotta leave you. Die. Yeah.
We got 30 seconds. Don't die.
Yep, I've got grab.
I got an EMP too.
So we could EMP grab.
Grab EMP. Alright, EMP. Use EMP first and then grab. That way they can't eat it.
Yep.
I'm going.
Maze up high ground. So is there D.Va?
I'm here. I'm trying to wait. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Whatever. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Heal.
Big, big, big,
I'm
big.
here. I'll pay with all of them.
That May. Ryan's double hug.
Sorry.
Froze though right now.
Big.
Just damage boost, damage boost.
I can't.
May's hack.
Discord Ryan, Discord Ryan.
Right.
Nice block.
Ryan's dead. Ryan's dead. I'm gonna die though, maybe.
Ah!
I'm coming back with
Stay on cart.
I'm on.
D.Va's hack.
D.Va pinned.
Zed's
Dead.
one.
I had the destruction card. Push it. Nice.
Big.
There we go. D.Va and Zen next.
I'm May's on cart. I'm gonna hack once she gets up.
What? Oh.
huge grab.
Damn, that sucks.
20.
Yeah, I don't think we should have ran dive into May quite as much as we did.
Yeah, we need to get like a McCree or something. So we can just stun May and kill her.
This was huge, though. I like this. I think if we practice this more, this would be a lot better. Alright.
It's like
Show lobby, back to lobby. There we go.
Alright, what's third point?
Third point is Numbani.
I almost said
New
20.
Bonnie.
Numbaluna.
Money. I almost said 20 red tire kills that game. Cause I had 8.
Preset.
And then I had
Why does it
before I
reset my
crashed
presets? Oh, okay. No, it didn't reset it. It's just
All I know is I had a triple kill, so I'm somewhat happy.
I gotta pee. Be right
I
back.
had like 3.
I had that quad.
Okay, I was Mercy and I got a triple kill.
Yeah. Well. I had like 3 in a row with my tires. I think it was like 2 in a row, but yeah. I had 11 before I left, and then I got 8. Just then, that game. That round. Good to the Sunday, my dudes.
I run to the bathroom.
No, you don't.
Kibbles. Kibbles.
Alright, I'm back. You guys ready?
No, I gotta run to the bathroom.
Da, 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 da.
What the heck is that noise?
Nice, that's the crab one. See that part?
Are you guys back?
Now once you get to level, I think it's 10.
Okay. We're good.
I'm gonna put a red gem in there. Gives you increase 6.
Awesome, Brayton, we good?
Yeah.
Okay. Austin?
But I changed.
I'm back. You can start.
Okay, okay.
Traveling to Mali. Prepare your defenses.
Hey,
Select your hero.
So, yeah?
they ain't ready.
Oh, so.
You guys hear that in the background, the music?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nelson, turn it down.
Just set your mic levels in Discord so it only triggers when it's,
That's not how that works with this headset.
oh.
I'm not at home. No, Justin just has a. It's like an okay headset. I got tape. I can tape the stuff I don't like. Tape it.
Sometimes tape the stuff you do like.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Oh,
I hate
I
it.
shouldn't be recording this. I should start a new recording.